what's going on, guys? So obviously you clicked on this video because you're trying to see the RTR Decklid and what all that install entails, which we'll see right after this. However, I managed to lose the actual intro footage from that video, so I just wanted to take a quick second and give a shout out to everybody that watches all the videos. You guys are awesome. I appreciate the support. It means a lot. I mean, we're right now at about almost 300 subscribers, which really isn't that much in the grand scheme of things, but it's pretty cool because, I mean, it shows that people are actually watching the videos and enjoying the content. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, I guess. That's something that you have to do nowadays. I don't know. That way you can stay updated on the content. And while you're at it, hit that like button as well. YouTube looks at that kind of stuff, so it helps, I guess. So without further ado, make sure to enjoy the rest of this video to see how we did that. So let's get to it. Alright, not sure, oh, you can see it. This is 25-pound fishing line that I'm using. This is what I use to get the spoiler off the car. It's nice and thick so it doesn't rip too easily. Yeah, I mean, I would just go with the heavier line if you're going to be doing anything where you need to be cutting 3M. This will make it so my hands don't hurt as much when I use the fishing line. Duh. Getting there. I think I may have got caught on something in the middle of the deck, the gas cap thing. Pop this bad boy off. Doesn't look like there's any bolts, so I'm just going to kind of continually add more trim tools in to see if maybe there's somewhere on this grabbing stuff. Let's see. Got it. That's scary. That's done. Cool. I got the deck lid cleaned up off of here, so as you can see, it's all nice and cleaned up now. And so the next step of what we're doing is drilling a hole, which I can't lie, I'm a little nervous about. Didn't really line up the way I wanted it to. You can kind of see where it's at, but I'm just gonna cut it out where it's at because it's gonna be underneath, so you're gonna really see it anyway, so it's fine. I mean, it kind of started to cut it, but the problem is down here, that hole saw I'm using with the drill just isn't quite cutting it. So first minimal defeat of the night, I'm gonna have to go run to the store and go grab a Dremel and do that, and then just kind of hand cut it. So yeah, 2 loaves. Okay, I can't lie, like, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. I'm just trying to find one that's got a metal disc cutter. So Mr. Tool World's not around. Help me. Caleb doesn't know. So we're gonna go with this one. Hopefully it does the job. $70 is damn well better to do the job.
What's spending $50 on this and then another 35 on it?
Alright, so Dremel, it's kind of intimidating, so we're gonna give it a shot. And hope that I don't miss. that on my porch. That was a spark.
Well,
Yeah,
goggles wouldn't have.
I'm gonna put my gloves on. I forgot about that.
Be safe, kids.
Had the brilliant idea of using my snowboard goggles. Yeah. Not to mention, I look like way cooler now. I mean, thug life. So, all right, let's fucking get it. What?
Nothing behind you guys is like flammable, right?
I mean, it's just a lot of oil.
Okay.
It's in closed containers. It's fine. Look at that progress, though. Ta-da! I did it! Okay, so we used a rust inhibitor and went around the edge there to kind of protect it from any rust. Took the alcohol pads, went up and down the deck lid where it connects with the 3M, and we got the 3M basically prepped so that once it's positioned, we just pull those tabs and it'll be nice and stuck. And then I just took the adhesive promoter. I guess it helps make it extra tacky so that when we stick it on, it's got a nice good seal. Actually, it really doesn't look bad at all. Yeah. So, I mean, not bad with 11-12 lights, but that being said, I have 13-14 lights, so that's about to happen. So for the tail lights, it's actually pretty simple. You have this one plastic pin, it just screws out, and once you do that, there's this one stud, there's a screw there, there's 3 bolts, they're all 11 millimeters, you need a deep socket, and then you got one here, under the carpet, and then one up here. Tail light will just pop right out. Be careful, you don't want to scratch your bumper while you're doing it. Pull straight out. So, just like that. Push that, pull, and then that's it. The moment you've all been waiting for. Yep. Looks nice. Yep. So that's with it off. I'm happy. Looks good. Yep. I just need to clean the fucking thing. So this is the pony I have from the car when I first got it. This is black chrome. So it's not super silver, but it's got a nice dark color to it. And I actually don't hate the color against that. It almost matches the color of the car.
Almost. Kind of wish it was a little darker, but
Get like pitch black ones and match with the Decklid and stuff, but
yeah,
I wouldn't want to do that. You guys will have to let me know what you think. For me or not. I want to do it. I think it'll look cool. And nobody else really has it, so.
no, you don't see too many of them.
Alright, well that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you're able to get a decent idea of what all the install involves for the RTR Decklid. And the taillights. I mean, it's pretty simple for the taillights. There's plenty of videos out there, I'm pretty sure. But I'm going to get some better shots of it once it's daylight out and I've got the car clean and everything like that. So all in all, I think they look pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to see more of them, you can always follow my Instagram. That's linked on the YouTube page. Otherwise, I look forward to getting to clean these up a little bit, make them really look nice. I'll post some pictures whenever I get around to doing that. Otherwise, I appreciate you all watching the video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you would like to keep up with me. I always try to keep the content interesting. Otherwise, I appreciate it, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.